as in the bonegament because a lot of things has been happening, man. I'm not going to tell you now because na getting my basarum. Mbati do mpu anu mbati do mpu kwa akoko anu na eke hit. If people say na actually spoil Igbo tradition. But a lot of things has been going down then after you can know what to. Now can the government video crack down on all these native doctors, eke hit akoko ha mandi ozo mande bachala oso mande no around. Yeah, Joe again. On Udo na tajife na Anambra State. Have you not feeling the sign of peace and calmness in the society? Have you not been feeling it? After when they na bagali okirikiri na bagali up and down, they cannot come out boldly. All those things be here na naga on because most of them they defend the Ebahasi and with them. But you so sad na people you think that they are saying the truth on social media are actually going behind the scene. Now support somebody they truly value and they care about because something is coming out from them. Kita ki kwesele under the payrolls of native doctors. You don't need a prophet to come and tell you all those things. You need the for those pay attention to the body languages of so many bloggers and so many social media analysts in on this media space, especially in our Igbo national belong because it's content creators. Man then I have content creators so on hand chapatagona well indirectly with their body language no defend their but that is not why I'm here, Sha. That is not why I'm here. Because Apula Aqua Hasueke hit me, Apuleke hit her face onye Jesus. Hafuga onye Jesus, he face ya konara tugo. From one he face yona. But by the way, because we him chokuno water. Governor Soludo, you are doing well, Manabiko Jepolo Matthias. Go and pick up Matthias. Madam Amje be poster. Na ama na a lot of na specific locations na ni why na say na Jesus must go. Matthias have been doing it. Go and check na some part of Anambra State on Ichabai. Matthias had a be poster. Na ma also he should caution his followers. He should caution his followers. It's time for you to Soludo invite ya Wiana. Okay, Billy, Ngwele Billy. Only obuna malo nko nefe no long way. A lot of you na say na Jesus doesn't exist. Obasaroge. How are you sure na this thing na no one you na black? Because you were told na in Augusto ni no were black. How are you sure na this thing were black? What will you do now tomorrow? Somebody come out with another revelation saying he have one black. That no add that this thing na brought black no really hozo. How would we feel in that situation? Soludo, go and bring Matthias for question. Okay, Billy, Billy. Soludo, it is high time you will go again. Bring Matthias to questioning. Chia one and yan all long way. A lot of them are fighting Christianity, Jesus Christ. Man, high travel obodo Igbo. Say na Jesus obodo Igbo na nke Nigeria bụ iche. Na my man of God na Nigeria bụ ndị ochi. Ichefu na the same man of God ahakpọ ha na Nigeria bụ the same man of God akpọ ha na obodo Igbo. What is really happening? What is wrong with our people? Matthias and his followers are building an army that if they are not well kept, where ha kwesịrị ịnọ, ha ya emebi ihe na ani Igbo anyị. Christianity is not the only religion on an Igbo. Why can't they tackle other foreign religions like Islam, like Jew, like Judaism? There are a lot of people na Jew canon an Igbo. Hanara agomo, hanara efi, hanara emomenana. Man, they are doing another thing. There are a lot of people on an Igbo in ATC. Man, Matthias and his selfish followers. Amanjokwa for or will go kwesiri NGO. No, mmadụ here. No be poster now fight Jesus Christ now wearing home just because now they want more money. Just because they want more money because once you do an Kuba against Jesus Christ like this, and the Marapatan, I say yes, we are corner. You people are fighting a lost battle. My own concern in all of these things, but then Kada Biana at the end of the day, where inter-ethnic crisis between ndị Igbo na ndị Igbo just because na gịnị me na-enwe difference of belief and religion. It is not by force. Afunube m onye Christian pụta amụghị mmadụ dosia no by fire by force na ya accept Jesus Christ. Even ndị nna nna unu ahụ unu na-asị na ndị ọcha mere ihe, what has been nna nna gị doing before ndị ọcha abịa? Kiri ha na-eme because ndị ọcha came to Nigeria, met them na-egbu slave, na-egbu twins, na-ele slave, na-eme ndị ọcha joined with business merchant batan along with them. They did what you people are doing. New umbrella, new bottle, and other breakable plates. How your people were being brainwashed. Botanu Matthias Soludo, caution Matthias, indeed caution one Matthias. Matthias abulokwana ahoho banye n'ime ankode. Ona ha ate ya small. Up to now, Igbo love themselves. Man, you anya afọ onye Igbo go ọzọ na-eme ihe ọzọ. Must everybody dance to your tune? Matthias, this is not the approach. In the midst of this crackdown of Udoga Achina Anambra State, Polono Matthias, he have to come for questioning. In as much as anybody against another person's belief and religion, and is forcing his own belief on the people, should be held by the government. Go explain why I want freedom of worship. He should come and explain why on a freedom of worship adiosi. Today, he has never opened his mouth to go against insecurity in Anambra State as a whole. He has never opened his mouth to go against insecurity in one way or the other. Caution the Igbo youth to go and akajaja and ebute onu mano. You heard after every day Jesus say Bible asia, Bible aseria. Bikono, in this video nisi, kono send the to Bishop Matthias and all his agent followers. They should desist from this post and Anambra State. They should desist from it. Because now, anyway, God is our strength. That is all I have to say.
Even like seriously, even okay, tata esim tazano mpo. We na agba na main market kan go to ife tata. We put on a flyover new pass. They even for that place. So even chico san, even for that place. Mmado dey just hope the time ya. We dey be a poster. Jesus must go. Na nwa ya na aga n'ụzọ. Na nwa poster Jesus must go from time aba nke bụ ka fogodila anya. Ọ na nwa ya no na aga. Nwe ka njigodu na aujo. Na ani Igbo anyị kita na South East kita no na ani Igbo akita. Oh, Jesus bụ nsogbu anyị nwere na. Ka ife melo everybody ja attack Jesus. Ka isi melo everybody is attacking Jesus. Na ndị na-efe ya. Unu amakwa unu nwere this same force and agenda unu ji eme Jesus must go. Wele ku maka Nnamdi Kanu na aka ọpụtago na prison. Ọsọ Jesus bụ chi a na-efe na obodo anyị aba na Igbo. Unu ji eme ndị Hausa si ha ala must go. Even men oji bo so Jesus ka everybody na attack. Na even mmadụ wopụta time na-eme. Propaganda na-enwere isi na ọdụ. Jesus emela gịnị? Eche mme nwere right to religion. Now, you people are trying to impose that your own religion to people. Jesus must go. Gịnị ka Jesus mere gị? When Jesus must go. Na even more of the time ya na-eme no. When Chigun if also no maybe Jesus more also just never never and my family will never, I repeat, we capital never denounce Christ. Unlike I did direct Tina radio, Tina NTA, me and my family will never denounce Christ. Jesus must go. Ya go and do. Look when Jesus I bego. Mwa this is easy. Obu no loge nke Moses. Thunder ya bụ onye ọbụla. God is our strength. This is one you gonna post.